So in chapter 17, we're talking about the battle of the sexes. Now, let me just set a premise. There are a couple, Jenny and Kevin, decided to go to the event, which is ballet or fight, or to watch a fight competition tonight. But now their phones are out of charge. So we can simply to draw a chart that is, if they both go to the charge, Kevin gains 1 unit of satisfaction and Jenny gets 2 units of satisfaction. If they both go to the fight competition, Kevin gains the Jenny gains 1.1 unit of satisfaction and Kevin gets 2 units of satisfaction. If one of them go to the fight competition and one of them go to watch ballet, they both get 0 satisfaction because they want to be together. Right, so that is the Nash's equilibrium is ballet, or fight competition. Yes, it is obviously. So let's detour. So for the Jenny, now they face this problem. So Jenny takes the mix. So Jenny takes the mixed strategy. Right? Jenny is indifferent. Yes, Jenny do not know what to go into. She just do not know. And the profit equation is also, as let me apologize, I forget one thing. The Q is the probability of K go to the bullet, and that is 1 minus Q is Kevin go to the fight competition, and P is the probability of Jenny go to bullet, and 1 minus P is the probability of Jenny go to the fight competition. Okay, let's begin to our analysis. So the Jenny's mixed strategy profit equation is Q plus 2 2Q plus 1 minus Q multiple 0, because Q multiple 0 plus 1 minus Q multiple 1. So we can simply solve the equation. It is Q equals to 1/3. How can we reach this conclusion? Let me think about that. 2Q its satisfaction of Kevin choose to ballet, and so the Jenny calculates that Q is 1/3. It is K's probability of choosing ballet, and it is also Jenny's belief about Kevin's choice, and the same is Kevin. The conclusion is Jenny's probability of choosing ballet is 2/3, and it is also the Kevin's belief about Jenny's choice. So we can simply draw that chart about the best analysis chart. and we can find a Nash's equilibrium. It is the P and Q is two thirds, and 1/3, and or it is 1/3 or 2/3. So this situation, we have three Nash's equilibrium. The third Nash's equilibrium is mixed strategy. So what can this battle of the sexes teach us something? It is very important because if Jenny encounter this situation and he do not know how to combat with, that means Jenny feel indifferent of choosing ballet and or choosing fight competition. Then that means Jenny's indifferent is meaning that her predict that K will go to the ballet in 1/3 chance and 2/3 chance of going to the fight competition. That is very important concept. If we do not know what to do, we are indifferent of our choices. That is already some meaning of this. So back to our example and to our mixed strategy. What is the interpretation of mixing probabilities? One is people literally randomize. That is like tennis example, they just randomize left and right. And the second is beliefs of others' actions. That makes you indifferent between things you will do. In the battle of sexes, the Jenny believes Kevin's probability is 1/3 and 2/3. That is belief of others' actions. And the proportion of players, and the frequency of actions, like do not always choose to shoot left or right. Okay, that is about mixed strategy. I mean, this part is very important, but I can't tell you in a very comprehensible way. Apologize about it. Maybe I will record another video of that. So let's do some final things. What is rational? Rational is every players in a game will make decision based on the prediction of others' actions, and to calculate different choices outcome, and which one can bring you the maximized income, and to choose the most profitable choices, and desperately to gain the best result. That is called rational person. Okay, that is chapter 17. Thank you for listening, and see you next video. Bye bye.